Everyone, it's Miss Brenner. I hope you're all doing well and staying happy and healthy. I will be your science fiction instructor for our online class together. This is our agenda for week 1. You will be receiving this in an email. However, on a regular basis, you will be able to find your weekly agenda in the week folder. So this will be emailed to you, but it'll also be available under week 1, and that will occur every week for the foreseeable future. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. I just want to go over the agenda. So for week 1, we are going to start off with activity 1. There is an online learner contract that you will need to complete in order to partake in this course. That means that you will need to complete all of the assignments in the virtual classroom procedure folder and then take this quiz. So that includes these 4 ed puzzles that you can see listed here, along with the reading materials that go over things such as netiquette, online policies, the online learner expectations for Mannheim Central High School, attendance policy, technical support, the handbook, and off-campus online learning parent guidance forms. After you have completed the quiz for the online learner contract, you are going to complete the summer reading reflection worksheet and discussion. The worksheet looks like this. It contains 2 questions. The first one is stated here with a minimum of 150 word response. And then the second one, you have the option of picking one of these 3 that are listed and responding in 150 words. So each one should be 150 words. After you have completed that, you are going to, sorry, I just want to move the screen so that way I can show you. Go to the share button at the top. If you click share, it's going to give you the option of share with Mannheim Central School District. You're going to want to change that. You're going to want to change it to the last one says anyone with the link. Click that. Make sure that it says viewer and not editor, so that way nobody else is going to be editing your document. You're going to hit done. And then it'll say copy link. So after you've made those changes, you're going to copy the link. You're going to go to our discussion, which can be found under activity 1, summer reading discussion. And you are going to share your Google Doc with the shareable link in the discussion, so that way other students can go and read about your summer reading. They will then respond to one of the students' summer reading in a minimum of 50 words. For activity 2, after you've already completed the online learner contract, you've learned plenty about me, and I don't want to go too far into that in this video. You're going to be telling me about yourself because I want to get to know you a little bit better. So there is an ed puzzle that goes over the directions for the About You assignment, the PDF version of the About You assignment, directions, and rubric. There's a tutorial on how to use the screen recorder for Schoology, though I do go over it in the directions video, so just so you're aware. And the slides that you will need for the assignment, along with the discussion post that you will need for the assignment. All of that is explained in the directions video. Activity 3 is our ARC leveling assignment. So once again, there is a directions video that will go over how to complete each of these folders along with the vocabulary for ARC leveling. Along with all of that information, so those 3 activities are what should be completed for week 1, along with our silent reading regimen for the district. So as far as silent reading, I do go over that in another video, but just to reiterate, your tracking sheet can be found in this pink folder, and we are on weeks 1 through 5. So you're going to click this worksheet, and you should read for 30 minutes silently to yourself, or if you prefer to read out loud. I don't want to judge. But you need to read something of an independent nature for yourself for 30 minutes each day. We have 3 full school days this week because Monday and Tuesday are split school days for different grade levels. So in reality, we have 3 full school days this week. So you should complete 6 steps. Each step in the tracking sheet is 15 minutes. So pick something that you would like to silently read for 30 minutes, 3 days this coming week, and then record them here in the silent reading tracking log. Alrighty, those are all of the assignments. Oh, and you can see them popping up over here currently. You can see them through these links and also through the folders. That is everything for our week 1 agenda. If you have any questions, please contact me. My email is brenners@mannheimcentral.org. If something is not working, please contact me. We will work it out. We will figure out a new way to get you the Edpuzzle, to get you the assignment. Do not panic. Please just contact me as soon as possible if you are having any kind of technology issues. Alrighty. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.